Izwa Akekho njengawe. Let go first 10. First 10. Second 10. Akekho nje. Wait a bit. So we have first and second 10. Sharp, we've got soprano, alto, and tenor, right? Mara, in these 3 voices, you can find, there's like 4 more in each part. It's all about melody. So anyway, I don't know who said worship must be slow and sad. This weekend, siyabangena, I am about people dancing their problems out. Kunini skala. I'm just saying, ne? So this weekend, let's sing this song. Let people rejoice in the Lord. Let them dance before the pastor comes. Then we're singing this song. 1 deal. 10. Oh, let's sing. We can say, njengawe Jesuami. Oh, njengawe Jesuami. Oh, njengawe Jesuami. Ilvele ifuna uhlabela ngathi umzulu. Yeah, if not the angry voice. Yeah, if not that. First time. Akekho njengawe. Akekho njengawe. Akekho njengawe. Njengawe. Alto. Akekho njengawe. Akekho njengawe. Ne? It's obvious because our soprano. Amazing, yep. Young Hama nayo mara, why? Kodwa ngizoyikhona le wangithi. So it's fine. Let's not change things. Niazi, you're gonna kill this one. It's a random song. Next.